Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to find someone on X by phone number. Okay, so the only official way how to find someone on X using their phone number is through the contact sync feature. So open X and tap your profile picture in the top left. Now in the side menu you have to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to privacy and safety section and now find discoverability and contacts. Now under the tab contacts you will see this option that is called sync address book contacts, and please turn this on. After this, X will ask you to give permission to access your phone's contacts. You want to tap continue button and then choose how you want to share your contacts. You can either choose selected people or you can share all of your contacts that you have on your phone in your address book. Then after it, let me show you how to go to specific page where you can see your contacts. So you need to go to this Explore tab at the bottom side of your screen, and now you have to scroll down until you see this section Who to Follow, and if you tap Show More, here people from your contacts will appear on this page, and you can follow them by tapping this black follow button. So that's basically how you can find someone on X by their phone number. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.